In this video, I demonstrate a technique that specifically targets a key pen and ink fundamental, the number one most essential fundamental to master, shape. This technique is called silhouette. Silhouette is defined as an element drawn in a single value, typically in solid black on white or the reverse. Shape is two-dimensional, it's flat. Shape is typically the starting point in a drawing. A silhouette is also flat, but it can be used to create effects that give clues to the viewer as to what is happening in a composition, or it tells more of a story. A silhouette can also be an outline or a shadow created with marks. Here, in this battle scene from Vagabond manga, can you spot all the silhouettes? The most obvious are the characters in the foreground, the birds, but also our lone character in the distance is a silhouette. It's executed with strokes and a subtle tonal gradation. The idea with silhouette technique is to communicate a lot of information with just an outline. Although there are no details, the contour line alone implies form and expresses an emotion to the viewer. Using silhouette technique in combination with a solid understanding of light and shadow can produce amazing results, as demonstrated here by Frank Miller and Mike Mignola. For our exercise, I'm using various fineliner pens, markers, use whatever tools you prefer for filling in the solid blacks, and just regular sketching paper. Let's start with simple, then we'll move to more complex. And for bonus practice, I'm going straight to ink without penciling an underdrawing. If you guessed a house, I'm doing pretty well on my first try. Let's try a bell pepper. Next, I'll use a reference for a flower, with the petals at a slight angle, not a straight-on view. Moving on to more complex shapes, but this time from imagination. I'll start with a leafy tree. I like ravens, so I'll outline the shape first, then fill it in like the previous images. And since we're practicing from imagination, I'll go ahead with a fantasy vibe next. My cats left the room, so I can't use one as a model, but I can recall their sitting shape, and here I'm rendering the eyes in reverse to white for a combined effect. And channeling my inner Mike Mignola, next combining the white and black silhouettes to make a panda bear, which surely would have turned out better with a reference and a pencil sketch, though. You can see the opportunity for skill development with this exercise is limitless. Another essential part to this exercise is to study and analyze the works of other artists to see how they've incorporated silhouette technique as an effect and how it serves to enhance the storytelling in their artwork. By practicing the execution of the shape fundamentals, this sets up all the other fundamentals for success. I hope that you enjoyed this exercise idea. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, I have linked below what to watch next. I wish you the best with your pen and ink projects, and see you in the next one.